If you can make $1,000 a day, that means you can make $30,000 a month and $500,000 a year. And in just 10 minutes, I will show you the exact strategy you need to make $1,000 a day with minimum risk in crypto trading.
Nice.
And no, you don't need a huge deposit to start. If you lost even $500 last month, that means you're doing everything completely wrong, and you can add this strategy to your arsenal right now and start making huge amounts of money. Essentially, there are three types of people in trading. First, Bob. Bob has $100 and wants to turn it into $1 million in a week. And what does he do? He doesn't want to take 1% per trade. Nah, that's too boring for him. Who the hell needs $1 profits per trade? He came here to make millions and actually print money. So he goes all in with $50, sometimes even $100 per trade. And every trade feels like a full-blown action movie for him, where he is shaking like a little bitch, praying he doesn't blow his account. But guess what? He ends up losing all his money just in one day. And then he runs off to find another $100 to burn. And he typically ends in a rat race. Losing money, entering the trade. Losing money, entering the trade. Then the second guy, Jeffrey. Jeffrey is a bit smarter. He breaks his piggy bank where he stashed $100 from school launch money, but that's not enough. He wants to be a millionaire too. So he borrows money from everyone. He even calls his ex, scrapes together $10K and rushes to his laptop to start trading. Now, Jeffrey won't ape in with his full deposit. No, he's a smart guy. He'll risk only $500 per trade, thinking that in just a few days he'll pay all of his debts, buy a new Lambo, and even his ex will come running back. But that's only his dreams. In reality, every trade is a pure hell for him. And even though he lasts a little longer than Bob, he still blows his entire account. And now he's applying for a job at McDonald's to pay off his debts. That's very stupid. And then there is Adonis, the smart trader. Adonis understands that trading is not a casino. He knows you can't be a little gambling bitch putting it all on a red. So he takes his $1,000 deposit, risks just 1 or 2% per trade, and in a month he's making $1,000 a day, all while getting himself 3 wives and 10 Lambos. Meanwhile, Bob and Jeffrey are beating their nails watching in envy. And the strategy you need to become Adonis is called fuck this chart. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's called breaking the structure. And here's how I used it yesterday to make $50,000 only in one simple trade using only my phone. Now, if you don't have any deposit, that's not a problem. You can go to any exchange and start trading on a demo account and start practicing and gaining some knowledge. I'll show you everything just in a minute. And don't forget to journal your trades so that when your grandma hands you some spare cash, you're ready to start trading for real and become a master in trading. So here's actually 3 steps you need to make to become a master in trading. Here's the Bitcoin chart. At first you have to understand these weird things. They're called Japanese candlesticks, and I have a full video tutorial on how to read these candlesticks and make huge ton amount of money. Link will be in the description or somewhere here. You have to watch it, my friend. Then you have to understand 2 levels, support and resistance. Support level can be somewhere here. Essentially it's just the level. It will be the support level, and here we can see the resistance level, or how people they call it swing high, swing low, low low, high high. It doesn't fucking matter. We are here to make money and not to play in a fucking smart guys, no. And you need to know how to spot a trend. Here the general trade is bullish, meaning price goes up, 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 up. It constantly updates its low positions. Here you can see that low position is here, then here, then here, then here, then here, meaning the price is going up, up, up. It went from 24.9k to almost $49,000. But that's only one part of the game. Here you can see that the price is touching the resistance level. This thing is called wick, this thing is called body of a candlestick. Red means price goes down, the green means price goes up. It's very easy, even your mom can understand this. And we can see after touching this resistance level, price goes down. Meaning that a lot of sellers are selling the Bitcoin and they are stronger than buyers. Here we can see that the buyers are stronger than sellers. Here we can see that sellers are stronger than buyers. But you have to spot this little thing right here, this red candle. If the price continues to drop, you will see a lot of red candles right here. But if we see a big green candle right here, it means that the chart is breaking its structure, or how people call it, it's a crossover, meaning that the price is going in the opposite direction. And we can see that first it was a little red candle, then a big green candle afterwards, meaning that it closes above the red candle's opening position or its high. And it's an engulfing green candlestick, actually meaning it just ate this red candlestick, and afterwards we are going to see a huge long from here. And we can open the chart and see, is my strategy working or not? I guess you understand everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, as I've just said, we can see that not only is going up, but it's also breaking the resistance level, and it will continue to rise, as you can see right here. And if you just enter the trade, for example, from here, you could have already made 25%, meaning you invest $1,000 and you will make $230,000 afterward. That's how I use this simple chart, simple fucking things, to be able to make millions of dollars in a year, to buy a Ferrari, a Lambo, and everything I want to buy. And if you understand this in your little mind, it means that you can apply it to fucking real life and start making huge amounts of money in trading. And if you deposit, for example, it's $5,000, you could have already made $1,000, as I've just said in the beginning of this video. But if you don't have a $5,000 worth of deposit, so what are you doing right here? Go and start trading. Go and increase your deposit. And afterwards, you'll be able to enter one trade a day and make $1,000 and live a great life. And for example, if you still don't know how to trade crypto, go on a Bybit exchange. It's the best exchange where you can start trading crypto. Use the link in the description and you will get a bonus up to $30,000 on your first trade. Only for my subscribers. And here you just click on trade, futures, and if you want to trade in a demo account, you just click tools, demo trading. That's very easy, but of course at first you have to log into your account. That's very easy to do. You know a strategy? You know something already about the trading? Go and start practicing, because if you don't practice, you won't be able to become a profitable trader. And of course, if you don't understand still what is a Japanese candlestick, I have a full video tutorial on how to read it. A lot of actually patterns there that you can use it and apply into your real trading, and afterwards make a lot of money, because trading is psychology. Psychology is something that you can predict, and if you know a lot of patterns, your predicting will be easier. As in chess, if you know a lot of templates and patterns, it's easier for you to start winning chess matches. Video is right here. Go and see it right now.